Lint buildup isn't just annoying, it's the reason your dryer's taking ages. And yeah, it's a fire risk most folks ignore until it's too late. The upside? You can fix it yourself with a decent brush in about 40 minutes. No heroic effort required. I'm Rory with AppliancePartsPros.com, and this is one of the easiest ways to save your dryer and maybe your house from a preventable mess. If you're tired of running the same load twice or just don't want to explain a laundry room fire to your insurance agent, let's get this sorted. Even if you're religious about cleaning the lint trap, fine stuff gets past and builds up where you can't see. That pileup chokes airflow, torches your energy bill, and makes your dryer overheat, or quit entirely. One deep clean a year keeps things moving. If your dryer's suddenly slow or smells burnt, you're overdue. Here's what you need. A real dryer vent brush, OEM, not the dollar store knockoff. A shop vac or any vacuum with a hose attachment, screwdriver or pliers for the clamps, a flashlight if you hate surprises, and a dust mask and gloves. Trust me. Step 1. Unplug and prep. Kill the power, and if it's gas, shut off the valve. Don't wing it. Slide the dryer out so you can actually reach the vent. Step 2. Disconnect the duct. Loosen the clamp and pull the duct free. If it's in rough shape, just replace it. No point cleaning junk. Step 3. Track down the outside vent. Find where it dumps air outside, which is not always obvious. And here's a tip: set the dryer to air fluff and hunt down the breeze. Step 4. Brush and vacuum. Feed the brush into the duct, and a shop vac at the vent's base grabs most of the mess. If you hit resistance, back out and check. Don't force it. Keep the vac running to catch lint. Step 5. Clean the hose and inside the dryer. Run your brush through the flexible hose you pulled off. If it's flimsy or falling apart, go ahead and swap it out. With the duct off, vacuum inside the dryer's vent port. No need to be a hero, just get what you can. Step 6. Button it up and test. Clamp everything back together. Push the dryer into place, making sure not to crimp that duct, and restore power and gas. Fire it up and make sure you feel strong airflow outside. So how often? Once a year is enough for most. More often if you feel like you're running a laundromat, have pets, or drying takes forever. Here's how to tell when you're overdue. Clothes need more than one cycle. Your dryer's hot enough to fry eggs. It smells like something toasty or musty, or there's lint visible outside of the vent. Annual cleanings save you money, keep your house safer, and keep the dryer alive longer. Easier than explaining scorch marks on your siding. If you need the right brush, grab ours. Built for the job, not for show. Ever had a vent brush stick inside or found a better trick? Drop your story in the comments. We've heard it all. Questions or stuck on a step? Our team's seen every version. Contact us at AppliancePartsPros.com or call 1-877-477-7278. While you're at it, bookmark this for next year. Or, if you're feeling generous, send it to someone still drying socks twice.